In the part first of video, we have seen that which are the important topics till the chapter of evolution. Now, in this video, I am going to tell you that which are the important topics from the remaining lessons. We will start from human health and diseases. Okay, human health and diseases, actually this is the chapter from the biology and human welfare. Very easy unit, no need to study hard in for this unit actually, because that is very interesting and related to ourselves. Okay, because in this unit there is a involving of the microorganism, there is involving of the diseases. Okay, some good bacteria, some bad bacteria. You know that microorganisms are present everywhere in nature, and that may be cause the diseases to the human beings, and they are also useful to the all the living organisms also. Okay, so start from the human health and diseases. The important topics are the types of acquired immunity. Next to that, the infectious diseases in that viral diseases, the bacterial diseases. Okay, there is also some types are there, non-infectious one and the infectious one, so you have to study very well from both the points. What are the causing agents of the specific type of the diseases, like for the typhoid, the causative agent is the Salmonella typhi. Okay, tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, such type of the causing agents are important. Along with that, the symptoms are also important. Okay, antibody structure is very important from the human health and diseases. What are the types of the antibodies, what are the functions of the specific type of the antibodies. This may be asked for the multiple choice question, so you have to study very well about the total point of the antibody, their structure, their types, their functions. Okay, these are all the important topics according to the human health and diseases. Okay, next to that, we have a very well life cycle of the plasmodium, which is the causative agents for the malaria. You know that for the malaria there is a requirement of the two hosts. Okay, one is the living human being and one is the living mosquito. So to complete the life cycle of the plasmodium, we need the two hosts. Okay, so that is the human health and diseases important topics you have to study for your biology paper. Next to that, we have a next lesson. Now in the next lesson there is the microbes in human welfare. Actually very interesting chapter hai. Okay, very easy chapter, the microbes in human welfare. Okay, in that actually you have to read all the textbook lesson which is involving in the microbes in human welfare, but still the most focusing point in that is the sewage treatment, especially the secondary sewage treatment. Okay, actually the microorganisms are involving in the sewage treatment, you know that, during the anaerobic conditions. Okay, so that's why what is the sewage treatment, primary, secondary sewage treatment, tertiary sewage treatment. Okay, sedimentation कहाँ पे होता है, okay, filtration कहाँ पे होता है. Okay, that all you have to know very carefully about that. Along with that, the biological oxygen demand concept. Okay, what is the meaning of that BOD, biological oxygen demand? That is most important concept for 1 mark question, also for the multiple choice question also. Okay, so these are some important points, but along with that you should read about how the microorganisms are helpful in the industry for the as enzymes. Okay, like which organisms are helpful in the household products. Okay, daily products. Okay, these are all the important topics from the microbes in human welfare. Along with that, the biofertilizer, biocontrol agents. Okay, just read out all the topics, don't leave anything from this lesson. That is very easy lesson, इसके जैसा और कोई easy lesson नहीं है according to my observation. Okay, so next to the microbes in human welfare, we will see that from the chapter number 9 and the 10, biotechnology and its application. Okay, actually the recombinant DNA technology is means the biotechnology. Okay, in that we are using hybrid techniques, in short I want to tell you, and we are and in the form of output we are getting something new. Okay, what is our desired interest. Okay, so in this, from this two topic you have to learn very well about the structure of the plasmid and its application, then the tools of the recombinant DNA technology, gel electrophoresis. Okay, gel electrophoresis is a very important one. Next to the gel electrophoresis, PCR technique, polymerase chain reaction. What are the applications of the gel electrophoresis in the recombinant DNA technology? Okay, what is that blue-white selection? Okay, how can you recognize that which are the recombinant DNA and which are the non-recombinant DNA? That is most important. Okay, then what are the BT cotton? Actually the BT cotton is very important. Along with that, gene therapy. Okay, gene therapy, that is the applications of biotechnology, plasmids, vectors. Okay, this all you have to read very carefully. Okay, as a important topics from the biotechnology. Okay, actually the genetics and the biotechnology that have the very well weightage in the CBSE paper pattern. Okay, so genetics and that biotechnology unit you have to do very carefully. Okay, कि कुछ भी लिखेंगे रट्टा मारेंगे तो हो जाएगा, it will not be effect. Okay, so do this point, along with that do other points also from your textbook. Next to that, आफ्टर द बायोटेक्नोलॉजी एंड एप्लीकेशन, सबका फेवरेट है ऑर्गेनिजम्स एंड पॉपुलेशन फ्रॉम द लास्ट यूनिट ऑफ द 12th स्टैंडर्ड. ओके, ऑर्गेनिजम्स एंड पॉपुलेशन, उसमें से आपको पढ़ना है एज पिरामिड क्या है, व्हाट इज़ द डेंसिटी, बर्थ रेट, डेथ रेट, सेक्स रेशो. ओके, दैट जो आपके लाइफ में इन्वॉल्व है, ऑल द थिंग्स, दैट इज व्हाट इज़ द बर्थ रेट, व्हाट इज़ द डेथ रेट, सेक्स रेशो क्या है, पॉपुलेशन इंटरैक्शंस में जो है दैट इज़ द म्यूचुअलिज्म है. ओके, ऐसे बहुत सारे इंटरैक्शंस विथ एग्जाम्पल, लाइकिन क्या करता है. ओके, सिम्बायोटिक एसोसिएशन क्या है, म्यूचुअलिज्म जो है. ओके, सिमिलर कौन से है, कमेंसलिज्म क्या है. ओके, कंपटीशन क्या है. दिस ऑल इंटरैक्शन यू हैव टू study with an example. Okay, what you do students, you just read out that what are the meaning of that interaction. You forget to study about the examples of that interaction. So don't do like that. Okay, do very well with examples. Okay, definitely the questions will come on the population interaction with example. Okay, 5 marks का question भी आपको एक भी छोड़ना नहीं है. एंड द लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, दैट इज द इकोसिस्टम. ओके, इकोसिस्टम में यू हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट द एनर्जी फ्लो इन एक्वाटिक एंड द टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टम. व्हाट इज द इकोलॉजिकल पिरामिड्स विद एन एग्जांपल. ओके, द पिरामिड्स ऑफ बायोमास, द पिरामिड्स ऑफ एनर्जी नंबर. ओके, इकोसिस्टम इज ऑल्सो द वेरी इजी चैप्टर. जो स्टूडेंट्स को अच्छे लगते हैं ये चैप्टर, इकोसिस्टम एंड द ऑर्गेनिजम्स एंड पॉपुलेशन. ओके, इसमें भी कुछ अलग से स्टडी आपको करना नहीं है. जस्ट आप एक बार भी सारा चैप्टर रीड करोगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगी थिंग्स. ओके, सो डू वेरी वेल. I am telling you again and again, don't leave any topic. Okay, just read the lessons, read carefully, prepare your self notes. Okay, do the revisions again and again for the lessons. Okay, then and then only you will pass with well marks in your exam. Okay, so all the very best to all of you. Okay, thank you.